Welcome to Disability Service Training Section 4.2. In this video, we will review the most frequently approved accommodations issued by the Office of Disability Services.
We reviewed in Section 1 of Disability Services Foundations that accommodations are grounded in federal disability laws. We also reviewed that the Office of Disability Services is the designated office at the college responsible for determining and facilitating appropriate accommodations to meet this obligation.
Before we explore the most frequently approved accommodations, let's discuss how accommodations are determined. Accommodations are determined through an individualized interactive process between the student and the office. The interactive process focuses on identifying barriers caused by the intersection between a student's disability and the college's learning and physical environment. The office engages with the student to consider what reasonable accommodation can help remove or reduce these barriers, while ensuring that essential elements of a course program or a service are not compromised.
During the interactive process, the office relies on best practices in higher education disability services, disabilities rights along with legal precedents, and guidance from the Office of Civil Rights.
While accommodations are highly individualized, many accommodations are frequently approved due to the common barriers experienced by students across a variety of disabilities. These accommodations typically fall into four main categories. Let's review these categories. The four main categories that cover most accommodations are 1. Classroom accommodations. 2. Testing accommodations. 3. Program accommodations. And 4. Non-academic accommodations. Let's look closer and review some of the most frequently approved accommodations for each of the categories. The most frequently approved classroom accommodations that address barriers experienced by students across a variety of disabilities are copy of instructors or peers' notes, preferential classroom seating, audio recording of lectures, and brief unannounced breaks during class. The most frequently approved testing accommodations include extended time on exams, a reduced distraction testing environment, noise cancellation headphones, and test reader software. Let's continue and look at the categories that are largely outside of the classroom.
When we think about accommodations that happen largely outside the classroom, we are looking at accommodations for program access and non-academic access. Let's review those. Program accommodations most frequently approved involve access for accommodations for placement or certification exams, sign language interpreters, and digital or audio textbooks. Non-academic accommodations most frequently approved involves housing accommodations, service animal assistance on campus, and emotional support animals for campus housing. Each of the frequently approved accommodations we have reviewed is supported by a corresponding handout in the accommodation knowledge base. By becoming familiar with these frequently used accommodations, faculty and staff can respond more confidently and efficiently when supporting students with disabilities in collaboration with the Office of Disability Services.
Thank you for attending Section 4.2.